Sentry Mode uses your Tesla's cameras to patrol your car's surroundings when it's parked and locked. When activity is detected, your car will react according to the severity of the threat. To enable Sentry Mode, go to Controls, Safety, and Sentry Mode. Once enabled, Sentry Mode will activate automatically when your Tesla is parked and locked. You can also manually activate Sentry Mode from the touchscreen, Tesla app, or via voice command. Keep Tesla safe. Sentry Mode has 3 states: standby, alert, and alarm. In standby state, cameras constantly monitor the area surrounding the car for possible security threats. When your Tesla detects a threat, such as someone close to the vehicle, it enters alert state. The headlights flash, and the touchscreen displays a message warning those nearby that cameras are recording the event. Alarm state activates in response to major threats, like someone trying to break in. While in alarm state, your Tesla maximizes lighting inside the cabin, repeatedly honks the horn, and plays box toccata and fugue at maximum volume. First, the classical version, then the heavy metal version if the threat persists. A notification is also sent via the Tesla app to alert you of the event. When you return to your Tesla after any alert or alarm events, a notification displays, stating the number of events that have been captured. Select Here to view recordings of the events on your touchscreen. Toggle between different camera views and scrub to rewind or fast forward. You can also access recordings from your computer by plugging in your Tesla's USB storage device. Sentry Mode gradually consumes energy from the battery pack while your Tesla is parked to power the cameras and the supercomputer that analyzes their feeds. Return to the Safety menu to exclude safe locations where Sentry Mode isn't needed. Sentry Mode won't automatically activate at these locations in favor of conserving energy. Regardless of the location, Sentry Mode will deactivate when the battery drops below 20% or when dog mode or camp mode is being used. For more information on Sentry Mode, refer to your owner's manual.